Bonjour Paloma, je vais te montrer comment jouer je sais pas comment ça s'appelle, 1,000 Years or 1,000 Dreams. But I'm gonna give you an easier way, and it's with our new chords. So, on Friday I showed you C chord, G chord, A minor, and F. Okay, and we played the bass notes in the left hand, so we went like this. G chord, A minor, the sad one, and F. We went back to C, G chord, F, and back to C. Now, sometimes we can play a chord in the right hand and we can keep the same chord in the right hand, but our left hand will play different notes. And that's what happens in your piece with Iris. I'm going to show you how that works. We've got, well, first I'll just hum it. Yadam da dum da 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 dum da 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 dim da dim da dum ba da dim dum dum. Okay, so we've got a G chord in our right hand and a G with our thumb in the left hand. And the next one, I'm going to keep the G in the right, but I'm going to go down to a fa diez. I'm going to go down to an F sharp here. And that's what we call a little bit of dissonance. It doesn't really go together, but straight after we go down to an E or a mi for you, and that will resolve the dissonance. So I'll show you again. G, after that I'm going to go down to a C chord, so I'll go down to a C with my pinky and I'll come down to a C chord here and then I'll just come back to G. I'm going to play another G with my F sharp and I'm going to finish on an E minor. So I have an E, your mi here. One more time from the beginning. Da 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 dum da 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 dim bum bum ba dum ba da dim dum. Okay, Paloma, that's enough for now. See you soon.